In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Canva account in free. By the end, you'll have a brand new Canva account ready to use without paying a cent. And you'll know exactly what to tap or click along the way. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com or launch the Canva app if you already have it installed on your phone or tablet. Either option works the same for creating a free account, so choose whatever's more convenient. Make sure you are on the official site or the official app so everything is secure and up to date. On the Canva homepage, look to the top right and click Sign Up. This is the starting point for creating your account. If you are on mobile, the button might appear in a menu, but it will still say Sign Up. Give it a second to load the next screen. Now choose how you want to create your account. You can continue with email or use a faster option like continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. If you prefer keeping your design account separate from your other logins, go with email. If you want speed and fewer details to type, a third-party option is great. Just pick the one that fits your workflow. If you are using email, type in your email address and the name you want associated with your designs. This name is what you'll see on your projects and in shared links. So choose something you are comfortable with. Keep things simple and professional if you plan to collaborate later. Next, verify your email. Canva will send a verification code to your inbox. Open your email, look for the message from Canva, and grab the code. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folders, and give it a moment in case of delays. Head back to Canva and enter that code to finalize the creation of your account. At this point, you may see offers to try Canva Pro or Business. Since we're setting up a free account, choose to skip or decline these trials. You'll still get access to the core tools, thousands of templates, and plenty of design elements on the free plan, and you can always upgrade later if you need premium features. No payment is required to keep using the free version. After skipping the upgrades, you'll land on your new Canva dashboard. That's it, your free account is ready. From here, you can start exploring templates, create designs, and save your work to the cloud so it's available on any device you sign in from. Thanks for watching.